Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you.
So you're going to want to start out by getting an image that's 2208 by 1242, and then what I did here is I'm just adjusting the color. So a lot of the time Ashley uses like kind of neutrally colors, like she uses a lot of tans, light pinks, light blues, colors such as that. So here I'm just adjusting the color and trying to find the right one. And once I have it, I'm going to use it, and now I'm going to add an image of Ashley. So you guys can just grab an image of yourself, obviously. And so what I'm going to do is put this in the top left corner. I'm going to resize it so that it's this, and then I'm going to go ahead and save this to my camera roll.
I know you do. Send me.
Now once I have this, I'm in the app Pixar, and I'm going to add another picture of Ashley, but this one I'm going to erase the background, and what this is going to do is it's going to make that collage look that she has in a lot of her thumbnails. So I'm just cropping it so there's less for me to erase, and then what I'm going to do is go into the erase tool. After I click apply, you'll see it at the top in the middle. It's just that rectangle that's half black and half white, and I'm just going to go ahead and erase all of the extra background here so that you can only just see her.
Send me.
Now that I have this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to arrange it around Ashley, the other picture, meaning I'm just going to figure out where I want it in reference to the image. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase the little bit of like the PNG of Ashley, which is the one that we just erased. I'm going to erase a little bit more so that the first picture we have of Ashley on the left, you can see her shoulder and the top of her top. It's hard to explain, but if you just watch, this is what I'm doing, just so that it gives a little bit more like space to this and that it doesn't look like overlapped or like kind of like put together badly, I guess you can say. So I'm just going ahead and erasing this part and making sure it looks nice and clean, but you guys don't have to worry too much because what we're going to do later on is go ahead and draw around Ashley, the PNG. Okay. So now that I have this, I'm just going to do a check mark, make sure it's arranged how I want it, and then at the bottom there's going to be a draw tool, which you guys will see. So you go and you click on that, click the color thing, and I made it white, and then I went to the brush, and these are the options: size 14, opacity 100, and I just went around Ashley and I traced basically around this PNG, and this is something she does in a lot of her thumbnails, so I thought I would add it. And as you guys can see, it doesn't matter if it's like super perfect, because what will end up happening is that the lines will just get covered up with this white line anyway. Now what I'm doing is I'm just adding little like accents, I guess, to like the frame around Ashley, just so that it looks better. And then I'm also drawing these kind of like leaf things, I guess you can say. It's a line, and then I'm drawing these weird triangle oval things, I guess, because she includes these in some of her thumbnails now too. But you guys can also add like other kind of doodles, like you can draw circles or swirls or whatever you want. But sticking to the true best dressed nature, I'm just drawing these specific doodles on the image. And then once I have that, I'm just going to apply and save that to my camera roll. I decided I wanted to do another, and then I was like, nah, so I deleted it anyway. So now I'm going to save it to my camera roll and go back into the app Fonto and add my text. So sometimes Ashley just draws the text on, which you could just do there, but I have bad handwriting, so I went into Fonto, wrote Best Dressed in the font Futura medium italic. Then I went to Style, I made sure the text was white, that there was a stroke, and then I went to another Style button at the top and made a shadow so that it looked like this, and then just played around with those effects and arranged it on the thumbnail. So this ended up being the final thumbnail. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I know it's a little quick, so you guys can always make it a little bit slower, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!
Send me, darling.